They had a reel that had over 15,000 views.
Crexi is doing an amazing job on social media, hitting the three E's, which is they are entertaining, they're engaging, and then it's educational. Like pretty much everything that they put out, I learned something new from it. And that's absolutely important when it comes to creating community, creating an audience. Just actually scroll through their feed. Aesthetically, it's fantastic looking. When I do clients' content, I want it to look like the client's actually posting it, right? Like it's not so polished, it's not so branded. So I do appreciate that they carry the colors throughout, but it's not everything is so perfect.
They had a reel that had over 15,000 views.
We're talking about 15,000 views, and you take a look, 13,000 followers. What's been going on with Instagram and trying to grab attention on the actual feed itself? That is pretty good. It's been harder to get those numbers that you were hitting before.
One of their most liked carousels. Why did that garner so many likes?
You could read it. There's a lot of people who do carousels, but then they try to put so much content. Most people are going to be viewing this on their phone. Those bullet points were perfect. And it's information that people want. Like, woo, they're going to talk about the cons. Most people would probably shy away from the cons, but no, they're putting it out there.
Why was there like a little boost in engagement on that?
It's because it really shows community engagement. It shows people out in the field doing that. And we are such a voyeuristic society right now. We like to see what other people are doing because we're nosy. Being able to see what they're doing, engaged in their community, that is super huge. And we love seeing stuff like that.